Something I have started telling people, even in real life, is you may not have anything to hide, but you definitely have something that you don't want stolen. So, in a way of thinking about that, like you may not care about hiding your money, but you don't want your money stolen. You may not care about hiding your possessions or not letting everybody see like your underwear drawer or whatever it might be. Like maybe you're very out there. I don't care. You don't want that stuff stolen though, because those are your possessions. And it also comes down to not just like products that you have in your life, not just material goods. It also comes down to your health, your ability to move around, to travel. Your identity is very, very much connected to your ability to travel, your autonomy, your freedom of movement, your freedom of choice. A lot of those things come down to maybe you don't care about hiding it, but you definitely don't want all of those things to be stolen from you because that takes away a lot of those human factors of choice, of freedom that we have developed. And when you lose that, like who do you get to be in your life if you don't have access to those things?